look who's in my lap. She just jumped up here. And she's down. Thank goodness. Oh no, there's poop on my lap. I knew it. Girl, why? We're gonna get them out of there without getting attacked. Hi, sir. We got these two beautiful eggs. It's from the reds. Today, I know. He's like, woman, it's about time. Oh, good. He's trying to go eat. Oh, are we doing that? Sorry. Go. Here we go. Turkey dance. Get it. Get it good. Yeah. Work it, baby. Yeah. I have to remind myself I have the eggs in my pocket. Oh, it's getting slower. My little drummer boy. Baby, that was beautiful. Thank you for the dance. Usually he puts the tail down and huffs and puffs away by now. Yes, sir. There you go. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ah.